make sure the reservoir is empty, what you can do is use a fluid extraction pump, take the coolant out of there, or if you want to, you can drain the coolant at the lower radiator hose like we did, but you don't necessarily have to do that just to replace the reservoir. Use some hose clamp pliers, squeeze this, and then slide the hose off. Take this 10mm bolt out, use a 10mm socket. Grab the reservoir, and you want to tip it like you're twisting it towards the car a little bit. And just slide it up. There is a little push tab that goes into a rubber grommet down below, so that's why you twist it out and slide it up. Take a pick and just move this clip right here. You just want to slide that out. You could use a screwdriver as well. You don't have to take the clip off completely, you just need it in the service area right there and there. And grab the hose and slide it off. Take the clip, push it back down, and then take the new reservoir and just slide it on, lock it in place. Now slide the reservoir in place. Slide these 2 feet in first, and then rotate it down. Take this hose, slide it on. You can use your hose clamp pliers. That looks good. And take the bolt, get that started, and snug it down. Now you want to fill up the reservoir with coolant, the appropriate coolant that goes with the vehicle. You can start the engine, run it for about 10 minutes. After that, after it's nice and warm, shut it down, let it cool down, and then adjust the level, top it off if you need to, and then you should be good to go. And you can put the cap back on.